Orange Cat by Hattie Loose. Once upon a time there was a little kitten. Her name was Orange Cat. She was playing in the meadow with her friends, Dog and Butterfly, when her tummy started to growl. So she went home and ate a plate of cookies. After that, she felt very tired and went to her room for a nap. She fell fast asleep and dreamed about a pink and orange tower. She climbed all the way to the top. Suddenly she felt very scared. Finally, the firemen rescued Orange Cat and took her all the way home. The end.